Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how to book online flight tickets from trip.com. First, you have to open your browser and type trip.com. Once you are on the website, you will be able to search for flights that fit your travel plans. For example, I will be selecting a flight from Amman to Hong Kong traveling Monday to Thursday with one adult passenger. After entering the details, hit the search button. You will now see a list of flight options. Browse through them and choose the one that works for you. You might see two fare types, one with basic service and one with additional options. Pick whichever suits your need, then click Book Now. Next, you will fill in your travel details including name, gender, date of birth, and nationality. You can also add another passenger if needed. Scroll down to enter your contact details. If you have a promo code, enter in the space provided. Once done, click Next to go to the payment section. Complete your payment and your flight ticket will be ready. That's it, you are all set.